Hi, my name is Becky Knight. I'm one of the physios at UKA. This is Bekah, who's one of our Javelin throwers on our Futures programme. So we're just going to demonstrate some pre-training mobility and activation work that you can do around the shoulder. So we're going to use one of the power bands here today. So Bekah's going to go into that first position that we're going to look at, which is looking at kind of mobilising the upper quadrant into the position that she's going to be in when she starts to either do some med ball over work or even some javelin throwing itself. So this is just designed to just really look at getting that range in that shoulder. So what we get when we come into that flexion is we're getting a little bit of loading through those muscles, so essentially activation, and then when we get the release back is we'll get a little bit more of a stretch in there. So it's kind of your PNF or muscle activation techniques essentially with that power band. The second one, which is a nice, really effective one for getting some length through the lats as well, is we're just going to get a nice little retraction through the scapula with that band and then slowly letting that band come away. And if you note, we're also working into that internal and external rotation. So as we pull down, we're pulling down through the scap into retraction. And then as we let go, we're just going to let that shoulder be pulled away by the band and get some length through the lats and external rotators.